Hello and welcome to this video on production tips for creating and sharing documents. Remember, you can always hit pause if you need to read the text on a video. We'll start with how to share in Google. You see the share button right there. That's in most Google apps, and you can share with your teacher or, of course, anyone else you know. We'll look at some editing tips like how to select everything using Control A, copy everything, Control C, pasting, undoing something you don't want to do. And then we're going to look at some slideshow tips on how to add a slide and then use the slides to produce and create expressions of our understanding. So we'll start with sharing. When you share something with me, I get in a file called Shared with Me. You can see all kinds of files over here. Let's take a look at some that I got last week. Let's see. Lucas had a nice slide here. Jacob was starting something here with some road imagery. And my favorite, though, of the week was Josh, who did a collection of NFL logos of their characters and transpose them on top of each other. So let's say I wanted to take this and add it to a new slide. I want to select the whole thing because it's several different images. So rather than copying one at a time and put them somewhere else, I'm going to select them all with Control A. Okay, and then I'm going to copy them all with Control C. Didn't see much there. But then I'm going to go to the place that I want to go to, which is a great little project here by Elijah. He started with some slides on how to make friends and really good graphics, great composition. The whole thing's fantastic. But let's say I want to add to it. I'm going to go up here to the add a new slide, and I'm going to use the little drop-down menu here to pick the blank one. I really recommend using a blank unless you know that you want to use one of these templates. But the blank one gives you a clean slate. And let's say that I select it, and then I put my mouse or cursor right here in the middle of the screen and hit Control V to paste all those images. So that's a fantastic way of taking whatever you might have done last week in Google Drawing and transferring it here into Google Slides. Because when we have a slideshow, and I might as well just show this right now. If I'm going to create a new slideshow, okay, new presentation, and I'm going to put in a title and have some more slides in this, and I'll add to it. But then when it's your turn to add a slide to it, you come up here, you add a new slide, select your template if you want a template, or go with a blank one. And then you can add slides and text and all of the same kinds of features that we saw in Google Drawing. So thank you for looking at this, and good luck in your productions.